Hey guys, Anthony here with a brief overview of the API integrations in CoachZippy, a fully hosted online platform with which you can create online courses and membership sites. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this CoachZippy introduction video. Now, before I proceed, I'd like to mention that what you see in this overview video are features that come with the CoachZippy Premium upgrade. Currently, there are API integrations for over 20 apps in CoachZippy for some of the popular autoresponders and payment processors, as you can see here. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and it'll open this section with several quick links. Let me scroll down. Next, click on Connect Apps, which will take you to the integrations page. Here you'll see three tabs. The first tab is for the Autoresponder Apps. As you can see, it includes integrations for many of the popular autoresponders. In the second tab, you'll find payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and others. And finally, in the third tab, you'll find integrations for apps like Zapier and Shopify. In order to connect to a specific app, go to the respective tab and click on the Integrate Now button for the specific app and then follow the instructions. I will be creating separate tutorials for several of these apps. You'll also notice this side panel with three sections. We are currently in the App Integration section. The second section is where you'll find your leads when people opt into your courses and membership sites. And in the third section, it will list down all your CoachZippy subdomains. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Look for my other CoachZippy tutorials, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.